Hey guys, welcome back to WP Event Manager. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to manage your sessions from Expo and from your event dashboard itself, and how to join the Backstage for it. So this is going to be pretty straightforward. Let me go ahead and start it. So first we're going to take a look at the Expo section. So over here we have a session over here, as you can see, it's called test session. Let's get started step by step. Firstly, I'm going to show you how to add a session. But before that, let me remind you, in order to add a session, you should have at least one speaker in your website. So in order to make sure that, you can go to your event dashboard and go to speakers and make sure your speakers are already here, since you cannot add a session without any speaker. So I have already predefined like a speaker over here, dummy speaker over here, that we can use for our session that we're gonna add. So all you have to do, if you are an organizer for the event, you can come to your Expo section and you can click on this little button over here that says add session. And over here you can type in your session name. So I can type it test 2. Start date, we can select 16th, and let's say we can set it to 1:30. End date 16th as well, we can set it to 2 o'clock. Speaker, I'm gonna select the dummy speaker as well, and then we can click on add session. So this is gonna go ahead and create a session for you, and you can already view that over here in real time. So that's pretty easy and pretty cool. That does take changes for you at least in real time, and editing them or modifying them are pretty easy as well. I can show you how to do that. In order to modify the event, you can click on this edit button right here. That's pretty easy to do, and you can modify any details you like for here. So let's say we can type in test modified, and you can click on edit session. It's gonna go ahead and edit your session, and you can see the changes in real time. And to delete a session, that's even easier than ever. You can just click on this little red icon over here, and that's gonna go ahead and delete the session for you. And it's gonna go ahead and update the page in real time as well. No need to reload at all. So integrated control within Expo, no need to go to any event dashboard if you don't absolutely want to. But let's say if you don't have Expo add-on, in order and want to use the speaker and schedule add-on with your base or like core plugin of ours, you can do that as well. So in order to do that, let's go to our event section, and we're going to open the event in a new tab, and we can see the sessions will be showing up in our single event details page, of course. And over here, as you can see, we have the test modify session. Let's forget about the Expo add-on as of now, and let's talk about, if you don't have Expo add-on and using speaker and schedule with our core plugin, how to do that. So it's pretty simple as well. You can come to the schedule section over here in your event dashboard. And once it loaded, you can see all of your sessions and schedules over here. So it's not from a particular event. You can see all the session and schedules you have for your all events across the website over here. And we given you 3 filters to choose from in order to make your life a little easier when working with session in the event dashboard. You can select from session status, whether it's live or unfinished. You can search by keywords as here, and you can filter via events as well. So if I select nature event, I don't think it has a session, so yeah, it will show no session. And if we select the virtual event, it will show the sessions for the virtual event itself, so like we have over here. And over here, it's pretty simple as well. When you are trying to add a session, you can click on this details over here. You can type in test name. We can define the timing for our session. So let's go ahead and do that very quickly. Then I can select speaker and host. But one important thing to keep in mind when adding session from the event dashboard, you need to select an event. Over here, you will be able to see all of your events that you have created in the website will be listed over here. So you can go ahead and select an event of your choice, and you can click on add session. So once that's done, it will appear over here in real time. And editing and deleting event schedules from the dashboard is pretty simple. As we saw in Expo, they work in very similar way. You can click on this edit button. It will open up the form. Over here, you can make changes to anything, like every possible details about the session, and it's gonna go ahead and like modify the details for you. About that delete section, you can do that as well. All you have to do is click on this little red button. It will go ahead and delete the event schedule from here, and it's gonna get refreshed in real time. No need to refresh this page to see the changes. But yes, when you have made the changes over here in your schedule dashboard, you can come over here in your event details page. Of course, you will need to reload this page in order to see the changes over here. So right now we have our schedule. As you can see, we have two schedules. They are added over here. And if I delete this, it's gonna reflect over here in real time, but we do need to reload the event details page. So that's all about sessions. That's how to edit, add, or delete your sessions from Expo if you want to, or from event dashboard if you don't have Expo, and how they reflect in the Expo dashboard, or in the sticker and schedule dashboard, or in the event details dashboard. Let us know in the comment if you have any kind of confusion or queries or any kind of future request. I'll be sure to help you out in there. And until next time, I'm Shara saying goodbye. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.